King got the hammer in the king 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 got the hammer king 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 got the hammer in the ring king 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 got the hammer king I ain't got the chain sticks put it in my punches to pop pop pop.
Hey sexy Lexy babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make a black lip gloss, then keep on watching. So of course we're going to use our black lip liquid from TKB Trading and our Miss Samoa flavoring oil from Abrilo. This smells and tastes so good. Like I wish y'all were in the room with me right now. I also forgot to mention that I have 5 ounces of the Ready Gloss in this plastic bowl, but you can go ahead and give this gloss mixture a nice mix with the flavoring oil and the lip liquid. Yes, come on pigment. Like this black is everything and it smells so good. Now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. I am done filling all of the tubes, this is the beautiful outcome. Now it is time to give our glosses a gloss bath. Gloss baths just contain soap and water, and this helps prevent your tubes from being sticky and help give them some extra sanitization. If you loved watching me create this black lip gloss, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.
King King got the hammer in the King 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 got the hammer King 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 got the hammer in the ring.